Yeah, Padmaja, you must understand the difference between the Sanatan Dharma practice today and the actual Hinduism that people over centuries have believed in. It's a conglomeration of ideas coming together to form the Hindu religion out here. You must understand that Kamal Nath.
Sir, frankly, neither are you an expert on philosophy, neither am I. So let's stick to the very basic question over here. What is the difference in the Sanatan Dharma, which was criticized by Udayanidhi Stalin and whose criticism was backed by Priyank Kharge, and the Sanatan Dharma of Pandit Pradeep Mishra, who is hosted and feted by Kamal Nath? What is the difference in the two Sanatan Dharma? Just tell me that.
Yeah, there is a stark difference between Sanatan Dharma practiced today by RSS and its followers right now, along with the Bharatiya Janata Party, who seem to be taking
Sanatan Dharma is not practiced by RSS and its followers. Sanatan Dharma is practiced by any practicing Hindu. No, Sanatan Dharma is not what is practiced by RSS, BJP. They don't own it.
No.
This is like saying Islam is practiced by AIMIM. They don't have a copyright.
No. Nobody has a copyright on any religion.
So Sanatan Dharma is not property of BJP. I am just asking you, what is the difference in the Sanatan Dharma that Priyank Kharge criticized and the Sanatan Dharma of the man who is being garlanded by Kamal Nath? That's it. That's all I'm asking. What dharma is the man being garlanded by Kamal Nath practicing?
Judge what I'm saying. Padmaja, you have called me to the show. Let me reply to your question and explain to your viewers what exactly the controversy is. Udayanidhi Stalin made a comment which we do not subscribe to because he has hurt the sentiment of millions of followers of Sanatan Dharma in the country. That's one part. The second part is that, do you consider those sadhu who had given for a call of 10 crore reward on Udayanidhi Stalin similar to the Taliban's call of beheading? This is the Sanatan Dharma that Congress.
Of course, it is absolutely similar. But are you saying that man for you is the symbol of Sanatan?
Cannot be, should not be.
It is not. So now then what's the argument?
Sanatan Dharma right now practiced out here in India?
Exactly.
By this Hindutva?
Exactly.
No.
So then what is the criticism for? Why is Sanatan Dharma being eradicated?
No, nobody can eradicate any religion. However, people have tried. No major religions in the country, in the world have ever been eradicated because millions of people have got faith in that religion. The point is not that. Kamal Nath is practicing his religion as he believed in. But you see this now present day who have become the Thikadar of the, the Sanatan Dharma, practicing Hindu religion as if to vilify another religion. They feel that this is a part of the Sanatan Dharma. That's why Priyank Kharge said that Sanatan Dharma or Hinduism practiced today has become a disease. That is no wrong in that. You must correct. This is a course-correction debate that needs to be happened. And there is no...
Practiced by who has become a disease?
People from the RSS and that Ayodhya Sadhu. No, you see, people have been lynched on the basis of the Sanatan Dharma, on the basis of Gauraksha, on the basis of what Mughals did over centuries ago.
Sure, they have.
This is not the Sanatan Dharma.
Sure, they have. It is not. Exactly my point. That is not Sanatan Dharma.
This is not.
This would be as foolish as saying that the man who stabbed Salman Rushdie in the eye is symbolic of an entire religion. Remember, Salman Rushdie was stabbed in the eye because he was seen as insulting a religion. Now, will you take that deranged man as the symbol of an entire religion who stabbed Salman Rushdie? You won't, right? And you certainly will not say that religion should be eradicated like dengue, malaria and coronavirus because people are going around stabbing authors in the eye. People are going around giving fatwas on Taslima Nasreen. You won't say that, right?